Hi, I am Marko Heikkinen, Chief Service Officer of Pesmel, the material flow-how company. Prevention is better than cure is a known phrase in all aspects of life, but it is never more relevant than when applied to critical equipment operating in heavy manufacturing environments. And this is where we, Pesmel Service, have built our globally recognized expertise. Let me explain how. Our customer support provides services for material handling and storing systems for the pulp and paper, steel, aluminium, and automotive tire manufacturing industries. The services include mechanical and electrical assemblies as well as PLC and PC-based control systems. And all these we do to guarantee productivity and safety over the life cycle of our customers' production processes. Our customer support program includes 5 key elements: warehouse management system application maintenance, upgrades of Pesmel delivered software and equipment, 24/7 helpdesk, a comprehensive spare part provision, and high-quality maintenance service. We currently run service agreements globally with several customers. We have a systematic approach to inspect the equipment delivered to customers and replacing parts and components when need be. The range of services has been developed to minimize the risk of failure and expensive downtime. They also guarantee reliable operation and extend the life of supplied systems, with the view of keeping the total investment and operational costs in balance. This is how we work at Pesmel, the material flow-how company. May we be of service to you.